Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Memcached on Ubuntu. So let's type in Memcached, right? So okay, I got spell mistake, but you get the point. So this is the official website where you can download the tar file and install as usual. So what we'll do is, basically, considering this is in-memory database, what we will try to do is we will get it from universe repository of Ubuntu. So first thing, let's open terminal, type in sudo apt update and let it check all the packages, right? And then let's try and find sudo apt install memcached, then space lib memcached dash tools and then dash y. So it should say yes to the packages and move immediately, right? Next thing, we will have to also enable the service. So we will type in sudo systemctl, which is going to show us the status for memcached. Here you see the current status is active and running, so Control C to come out. Next we can check the version, install memcached version, and here you see 1.6.40, which may or may not be the latest, so it's just one version back. So at the time of freezing the Ubuntu version, it should be locked to this one. So it will get updated over time. So hopefully you get the idea how to install Memcached on Ubuntu.